Hey, a quick question. What if you are losing Amazon sales and don't even know it? It might be because your brand isn't registered the right way, or your trademark doesn't match your Amazon's brand name. Sounds small, but it could be costing you a lot, like 5% of your total sale. The good news, there is a simple fix, and I will show you exactly how to do it. So here is the problem. A lot of sellers don't even realize. They think everything is fine. But on Amazon, their brand name doesn't match the trademark. And that mismatch, it's actually costing them sales. Let me break it down. When a customer clicks on your brand name on Amazon, they should see a nice clean page with all your product, right? But if your brand isn't properly registered or the name doesn't exactly match your trademark, Amazon might not link your product correctly. Instead, the shoppers end up seeing other brands or even competitors. That means you are literally handing over sales to someone else, and this isn't a small issue. We are talking about potentially losing around 5% of your total revenue just because the brand registry isn't properly set up. Alright, so let's talk about why brand registry actually matters. First off, it gives you ownership of your product data. That means you can control what shows up in your listings. Your image, your bullet points, your A+ content. Without it, other seller or random system errors can mess with your listings. And we have got almost no way to fix it fast. Secondly, brand registry is your #1 defense against hijackers. If someone jumps on your listing with a fake version of your product, it's way easier to report and remove them if your brand is registered. Without it, it's total headache. It also helps reduce listing errors like random title changes or missing details because Amazon treats brand registered products with more trust. Now here is the challenge. To link your products to brand registry, Amazon often needs the UPC. But if you have used a UPC exemption, which a lot of private level sellers do, this can slow everything down. Amazon doesn't make it easy. There is no clear step-by-step fix. You usually end up opening a bunch of support tickets and just hoping someone helps. So yeah, brand registry is powerful, but only if you set it right. Now let's figure out if your brand is even connected. Step 1. Go to your brand store in Seller Central and hit publish, even if it's not finished or half done. Don't worry about it being perfect right now. Step 2. After it's live, click your brand name on Amazon and see what shows up. If your store loads, awesome. That means it's working. And if not, double check by clicking on some random products listings. If they are not linking to your store, you have got a connection issue to fix. Okay, now let's talk about how to actually fix this. You have got two main options plus one bonus. Option 1. You can try asking Amazon to link your brand name with the trademark, even if they don't match perfectly. For example, if your trademark has dots or a special character but your brand on Amazon doesn't, ask them to recognize both as the same brand. Now fair warning, there is no guarantee this will work. Amazon might say yes, they might say no, but it's still worth a shot because if it works, your listing could connect without much extra work. Option 2. File a brand new trademark, but this time without the dots or special characters. Use the same logo or design, just clean it up to match your Amazon brand name exactly. This gives you a fresh trademark that should connect easily to your listing. Filing a new trademark has some cost with the right service. So, if Amazon doesn't cooperate on option 1 or option 2, then option 3 is a solid backup to solve the problem for good. Option 3. Let Ecomclips handle the problem for you. If this feels overwhelming, no worries. That's exactly where Ecomclips step in. We have helped hundreds of Amazon sellers fix brand registry issues, connect their listing properly, and recover lost sales. From filing new trademarks to dealing with Amazon support, we handled it all. We'll audit your brand setup, publish your store if needed, and work on connecting every product to your brand the right way. So if you are stuck with mismatched trademarks, UPC headaches, or just want it done without the stress, let Ecomclips take care of it for you. Because fixing this could mean an instant 5% boost in revenue. Let's not leave that money on the table. Just send an email at info@ecomclips.com. You can attach this video link as a reference. So take action now. Publish your brand store even if it's not perfect. Audit your listing, make sure they are actually connected. We know Amazon inside out. We'll handle the fixes, file the paperwork, and make sure your brand shows up the right way.